I'm going to create this eyeshadow look using Wet n Wild Not a Basic Peach. I love that name. Not a Basic Peach eyeshadow palette. So if you guys want to see how I got this look, please keep watching. Start off with this eyeshadow primer. It's also from Wet n Wild, and I'm just going to apply that with my finger. For the Not a Basic Peach palette, this is what it looks like. I have swatched some of these, so if they look swatched, that is why. And I'm going to go in with this transition shade. I'm just going to apply that all over my lid. Go all in with this peachy shade right here. Oh, you know what? Before I go in with any color, I'm going to put some Coty Airspun on the bottom of my eye just in case I get any fallout. And then now in my crease, I'm going to go in with that more orange shade. So now I'm going to take this kind of like mermaid blue. I'm going to use like a little dome brush like this. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with the second transition before I do the blue, because the blue wasn't picking up as much as I thought it would. So just with the same brush that I just used the orange, I'm going to pick up the darker transition right here. Okay, now I'm going to take a little bit of Shape Tape with a concealer brush. I got too much right there, so I'll put some on here. So just making kind of like a spotlight. I'm gonna get a little bit into the crease right there. So now going in with the little brush and the blue. And it doesn't have to be perfect. I just want the color to show up right there. Just at the very top. Now with this color right here, it's kind of like a gold, like a rose gold. I'm gonna go in with my finger. Go in with that dark brown right here. Just on the outer V. Okay, so now I'm gonna blend. I'm gonna use that gold shade right here just to put in the very center of my lid. So now I'm going to get all of the Coty Airspun and the fallout off of my face, and I'll be right back. For my inner corner highlight, I'm going to use the Wet n Wild Mega Glow in Golden Flower Crown. Lower lash line, I'm going to use I think I'm going to go in with the darker transition shade and then mix in some of the orange, and then on the outer portion of the lash line I'm going to do a little bit of the dark brown. So I'm gonna pop on some mascara, eyelashes, and eyeliner, and I will be right back. Okay, so eyelashes are on, mascara is on, eyeliner is on, and I am honestly so impressed with these shadows. You guys, like, honestly, this is well worth the $6.99 that I paid for. The shadows are pigmented. The only thing that I can say is that yes, you do get a lot of kickback from the shadows as far as them being powdery, but it doesn't really take away from the integrity of the shadows. They're super creamy, super pigmented, beautiful shadows. And for the price, I mean, you just really can't go wrong. I love this look, and I will be reaching for these. Even their eyeshadow primer worked beautifully. So I am super excited about this drugstore find, and I hope you guys try them out. If you do, let me know what you think. That's it for today. I hope you guys like this look. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thanks, guys.